So we all know the cute girls that love to rock all those fall outfits. But then here's the rest of us. You come outside and it's basically summer. And so I am here today to help you wear cute fall outfits without having to break a sweat. Tip number 1 is picking the right shoes. Stay away from these leather long boots. Instead, go for the ankle kind of boots. You can go for some printed or actually furry bags that will make everything better as well. Tip number 2, to keep yourself cooler, skip the pants and go for something like an oversized shirt with some thigh-high boots. Tip number 3 is, like I've mentioned, go for some printed bags or some furry bags, and go for leather. Go for a leather belt. It will all pull in the whole look. Tip number 4, stay away from fuzzy and thick materials. Instead, replace them with, something that is lightweight. And just instead go for the colors, go for the fall colors. Orange, mustard, along with go for darker denim. And now is the transformation we've all been waiting for. We're going to transform this fall outfit into something that's actually wearable for the hot weather. So following all the previous tips, we're going to put on an oversized t-shirt and some thigh-high boots. We're going to put on a leather belt, grab a printed bag, and I'm going to throw in tip 5 and 6, that is going for some cute hats, some fall hats, and tying around a sweatshirt or something like that, or a jacket. That way you can still look like, you're this fall fashionista, but you can still, not be hot and die of heat. Thank you to all of you for watching. I'll link my Instagram down below. Thank you so much, and see you next time.